Welcome to the Centralia College COVID-19 Prevention Cleaning and Disinfecting Procedure. In an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19, the college has taken steps which include enhanced cleaning and disinfecting procedures. With guidance from the CDC and through local and state public health recommendations, the following procedures have been developed for the campus to follow during the COVID-19 pandemic. Centralia College has increased the frequency of cleaning and disinfecting while focusing on high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, handrails, restrooms, tables, faucets, and keyboards. Use all cleaning products according to the directions on the label. For disinfection, most common EPA-registered household disinfectants should be effective. A list of products that the EPA approved for use against the virus that causes COVID-19 is available at the link on this slide. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for all cleaning and disinfecting products you use. Some general guidelines to follow while cleaning and disinfecting are to practice good hand hygiene after cleaning. Wash hands often with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. If hand washing is unavailable, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 70% alcohol. Centralia College will provide staff and faculty with disposable wipes to wipe down commonly used surfaces. Before cleaning, ensure adequate supplies to support cleaning and disinfecting practices. Ensure proper ventilation during and after application of cleaner or disinfectant. Wear disposable gloves when cleaning and disinfecting. Gloves should be discarded after each use. Wash hands immediately after gloves are removed. Double glove if working in an area of known exposure. Wear eye protection when there is a potential for splash or splatter to the face. Wear coveralls or aprons to protect personal clothing as necessary. Store chemicals in labeled closed containers. Keep them secure away from children and food, and store them in a manner that prevents tipping or spilling. Clean surfaces and objects with soap and water or another cleaning detergent if visibly dirty prior to disinfecting. This includes high-touch surfaces. The following products are effective for disinfection of hard non-porous surfaces: a 10% diluted bleach solution, an alcohol solution with at least 70% alcohol, or an EPA-registered disinfectant for use against COVID-19. To prepare a 10% diluted bleach solution, mix 5 tablespoons of bleach per gallon of water. After application, allow 2 minutes of contact time before wiping or allow to air dry. If using our current EPA-approved disinfectant for Centralia College, Virex, after application, allow 10 minutes of contact time before wiping or allow to dry. For effective disinfection of soft porous surfaces such as carpeted floor, rugs, and drapes, remove visible contamination if present and clean with appropriate cleaners indicated for use of these surfaces. After cleaning, if the items can be laundered, launder items in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions using warmest appropriate water setting for the items, and then dry items completely. If laundering is not possible, use an EPA-registered disinfectant for use against COVID-19 and that is suitable for porous surfaces. Contact the facility's operation and maintenance department to obtain refills of cleaning and disinfecting supplies. When cleaning and disinfecting of surfaces after a confirmed case of coronavirus, focus on areas where the ill person has visited. Follow routine cleaning and disinfectant procedures, but add some additional enhancements. These procedures will be enforced for a period of 9 days since the person was last present in a college space. Areas visited by the COVID-19 positive person will be closed off. This will be assessed by administration and communicated to the Buildings and Grounds Director, who will ensure the specific areas are closed off for at least 24 hours or as long as practical before beginning cleaning and disinfecting. Prior to cleaning, open outside doors and windows to increase air circulation in the area. Use ventilation fans to increase airflow if needed. Ensure adequate supplies to support cleaning and disinfection prior to starting. Wear required personal protective equipment during cleaning and disinfecting, including disposable gloves, which should be doubled up, safety goggles, N95 mask, disposable Tyvek suit with hood, and rubber shoe covers. All staff must be fully trained on proper usage and disposal of required PPEs to prevent cross-contamination. Your supervisor will instruct you on what PPEs are required for your required duties. Cleaning staff should clean and disinfect all areas such as offices, bathrooms, common areas, shared electronic equipment like tablets, touchscreens, and keyboards in the area where the person visited, focusing especially on frequently touched surfaces. This cleaning and disinfecting procedure was developed using the resources on this page. Please click on the links for further information. This completes the COVID cleaning and disinfecting procedures training. If you have any questions, please contact the Campus Safety and Security Manager, Charles Wallace, at 623-8888, or you can email him at chuck.wallace@centralia.edu. Thank you.